Something I've been longing to do here online is show you how to make perfect muffins. It's quite hard to explain it from the written word, but so easy when you can just see how. These are spiced apple muffins, and the first rule of muffin law is that you need to have everything ready for the off. So begin with 6 muffin cases placed in a muffin tray and then brushed with melted butter. This will make it easier to remove them later on. With muffins, speed is of the essence, so you need to have everything weighed out and ready. And to start with, I'm sieving 150 grams of plain flour, 1 level teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a level teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 level dessert spoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget to lift the sieve, as we need to incorporate even more air than usual. Now in another bowl, we've got a large egg, 40 grams of dark brown sugar, and I'm adding 120 ml of milk and only 50 grams of melted butter whisked together. The great thing about muffins is they're low in fat. Now we're going to sift the dry ingredients again straight onto the mixture. And this twice sifting is crucial because we won't be doing much mixing. Remember when we learnt about folding? This is all you do. Preferably with a large metal spoon called a kitchen spoon. Just quickly fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And the key word here is quickly. As you can see, it only takes about 15 seconds. Don't worry if the mixture is uneven, looks lumpy. I suggest you freeze the frame now and just take a good look. Where people go wrong is that they go on beating because it looks so awful, but this folding is what makes muffins so light. Now we're going to quickly fold in 2 medium apples, and these have been grated with the skins on, and again, just fold them in, no stirring. Then straight away divide the mixture between the muffin cases. Then arrange another apple, this time cut into cubes on top. Then finish off with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of demerara sugar and half a level teaspoon of cinnamon. The muffins are baked near the centre of a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Just see how they rise up and turn golden brown. And when they're baked, transfer them to a wire cooling rack. Muffins keep really well. They also freeze beautifully. Because the texture of muffins is so wonderfully light and airy, you can use a muffin mixture to make a cake as well. This is a blueberry and pecan muffin cake. Here we've used a larger quantity of the muffin mixture. The dry ingredients are double sifted in the same way and then folded in quickly. This time we're adding blueberries, which are also folded in super quick. This is our 20 centimetre round loose base tin with a base liner. So just add the blueberry mixture, then sprinkle with more blueberries and some demerara sugar. And finish off with some roughly chopped pecan nuts, which will get nicely toasted in the baking. The cake is cooked in the centre of a preheated oven, but this time a slightly lower temperature. And it'll take about an hour or until springy in the centre. For a final flourish, once it's cooled, dust it with icing sugar before serving. And just take a look at its airy, beautifully light texture. Be warned, once you start making muffins, you can't stop. So here's a peep at some of the others in the book and here online. There are so many variations and they keep really well. They also freeze beautifully. Got any questions? Then join in one of our online web chats.